If you're serious about precision woodworking and you're tired of struggling with messy chisel work, then you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the best tools on the market so you can work smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mortisers. And not just any mortisers. We're talking about the best mortisers of 2025 that are taking craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate DIYer, a good mortiser can be a game changer. These machines are essential for creating strong, clean mortise and tenon joints, a cornerstone in fine woodworking. And in this video, I'm counting down the top 5 mortisers that are dominating Amazon right now. We'll go over everything: power, precision, ease of use, durability, and value for money. You'll hear real insights based on research and customer reviews to help you make the right investment for your shop. So, if you're looking to step up your joinery game, stick around because you won't want to miss this. And hey, don't forget to check the description box below and the pinned comment for links to each of these mortisers so you can grab the best deals right now. Alright, let's jump in. RIKON P34-260 benchtop XY mortiser. The RIKON P34-260 benchtop XY mortiser earns its spot at number 5 for being a compact powerhouse with surprising capability for its size. Equipped with a sliding XY axis table, this mortiser makes aligning your workpiece effortless, allowing for repeatable precision cuts, a rarity in benchtop models. With a powerful 1/2 HP motor and an adjustable gas-filled stabilizer, it delivers smooth and controlled operation. The head raises automatically after each cut, reducing fatigue during repetitive jobs. The cast iron base and column ensure long-term durability, while the 3/8 capacity chuck can accommodate various chisel sizes. Whether you're building furniture or cabinetry, this model is perfect for small workshops needing big performance in a small footprint. Porter Cable 513 1/2 horsepower lock mortiser. If you're working with doors and locks, the Porter Cable 513 lock mortiser is the heavy-duty answer to your needs. Its robust 1/2 HP motor is a beast when it comes to cutting deep and clean mortises into solid core doors. This portable machine clamps directly to the door without marring the surface, and its quick setup saves valuable time on job sites. The cutter spins at 27,500 revolutions per minute for smooth cuts, and the depth and height settings are precise, helping you avoid guesswork. This machine is a favorite among professional carpenters and locksmiths because it replaces hours of manual chiseling with smooth, mechanical efficiency. Jet 700 8580 JBM 5/1/2 horsepower bench mortiser. Jet's J5 is a classic bench mortiser designed for reliability and value. It features a solid 1/2 HP motor that's more than capable for most joinery tasks, along with a heavy-duty cast iron construction that minimizes vibration during use. The depth stop is easily adjustable, and the long handle gives you strong leverage for cleaner cuts. With a 4-inch capacity under the head, it's great for both hobbyists and pros looking for clean mortises in hardwood and softwood alike. What makes the JBM-5 stand out is its affordability without sacrificing build quality, a great starting point for woodworkers entering the mortise game. Makita 7104 L12 amp chain mortiser. This Makita 7104 L chain mortiser is built for serious timber framing and post and beam construction. It uses a chain-style cutting system powered by a rugged 12 amp motor, making it ideal for cutting deep mortises in thick wood quickly and accurately. Despite its industrial-grade capability, it's designed with ergonomic handles and intuitive controls, allowing smooth operation even in demanding applications. The adjustable guide bar and clamp system make for precise alignment, and its portability is a game-changer for job sites. This machine is perfect for timber framers who need deep, repeatable mortises without lugging around a giant stationary unit. Powermatic 17913 10 PM 701 3/4 horsepower bench mortiser. Taking the top spot is the Powermatic PM 701, a benchtop mortiser that checks every box for professionals. With a powerful 3/4 horsepower motor and rack and pinion head raising system, this machine makes mortising clean, fast, and precise. The heavy-duty cast iron construction offers rock-solid stability, and the fence and hold-down system are among the best in its class, keeping your workpiece secure at all times. The chisel capacity of up to 1/2 inch means it handles a wide range of projects, and with its quick-action cam lock and dual handwheel controls, setup is painless. If you want accuracy, power, and a professional feel, this is the one to beat. So there you have it, the top 5 best mortisers of 2025, each one offering something unique depending on your workshop needs and budget. Whether you're a cabinet maker, door installer, or heavy-duty timber framer, there's a mortiser here that fits your workflow. And remember, the right tool doesn't just make your job easier, it transforms your work. Investing in quality tools is investing in the quality of your craftsmanship.